Hey everyone, this tutorial is going to walk you through how to delete unused questions from your Moodle course. I'm using the Boost theme, so if mine looks a little bit different than yours, you can go change your current theme to Boost, and that'll help you follow along. So to start off, click this little wheel up here, go to More, click on Categories in the question bank, and from here, I'm going to show you a couple tricks. The first thing, I want you to create a brand new category up top, and this is where all the questions you want to keep are going to be transferred to. So let's go to this top category right here. It has 604 questions in it. I'm just going to call this main algebra 2 category. Add category. It's not quite at the top, so I'm going to move it over the left one and pop it to the top. Okay, so this one's at the top. So this one right below it is also going to stay towards the top, and the rest of them below this will become the subcategory to this one. We're going to do that because using the Purge tool, if you delete this category, or if you delete any category in general, it will delete the category, all the questions within it, and all the questions within all the subcategories below it. So if we make all of these subcategories below it, when it deletes this one, it's going to delete all of the unused questions. And it will transfer all the questions that are currently in quizzes into this category. Okay, I know that's a lot. Let me walk you through it. So we're going to take this category and click to the right, and this can be a long Monday process. You can keep doing it this way and that's fine, and you can see it made these 4 subcategories to this one. Like I said before, then we delete this category using the Purge tool, and it removes all the unused questions and transfer the questions you want to keep to this one. Okay, so a little faster way to move these over, if you hold the Control key down, you can now quickly click. And to see the result, you click refresh. You can see now all of these are subcategories. The side effect of doing it that way is it creates a bunch of new tabs up here, which you can delete in bulk, and I'll show you that at the end. So I'm not going to, oh, I skipped a couple, so let's do these 2. Okay. So now we have a good number of categories, and it doesn't matter if they're in a subcategory again, they're indented again. As long as they're subcategories, they're fine. So if we purge this one, it's going to purge all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and purge this category. And it's going to ask me, okay, so this category that we're purging contains 14 subcategories, 607 unused questions, and 75 questions that can't be deleted because they're currently in quizzes. So these questions will be deleted. These 75, we need to choose where they're going to go, and that's why we've created this new category right here. We're going to put them in there. It'll take a few seconds, but once it's done, our course is going to be 600 questions lighter, and we could have done a lot more categories at once, and I recommend you do more categories than that. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I just didn't want to spend forever moving a bunch of categories over. But if you repeat this process by going back to the question bank, categories, what you would do is now you're going to make this a main category. These are going to be sub up below it. So you would just pop some underneath there. If you do the process over, add a bunch more categories underneath. Use the Purge tool to delete it, and just kind of repeat that process. Once you only have one category left, which will be this one, then what you're going to do is click on questions, go to that main category, and make sure show old questions. And what you do is click on this up arrow for each one of these. And I recommend you hold the Control key down and click on these one at a time. And once you do that, it will change them from old questions back to standard questions again. You can skip this step, but I recommend doing it. It just keeps everything more organized. And I told you I was going to show you how to delete all these tabs in bulk. If you take the tab you want to keep, move it out. Now you can go to where all these tabs are, and you'll probably have a lot more than this. Click on this right X right here. It deletes all those tabs. There you go. So that's kind of how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Some courses, this may take a long time to clean up. Other courses, not so much. But you may be deleting hundreds of questions or even thousands out of a course. And that will help keep your course clean and help for future imports and that sort of stuff. If you have any questions, let me know.